The life of Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States, is a compelling tale of perseverance, leadership, and the triumph of the human spirit over adversity. Born into a humble family on February 12, 1809, in a log cabin in Kentucky, Lincoln had little formal education, but possessed an insatiable appetite for learning. Despite facing numerous hardships during his early years, including the loss of his mother at a young age, he displayed a deep sense of empathy and a strong sense of justice, which would shape his future endeavors. Lincoln's journey towards becoming one of America's greatest leaders was marked by numerous setbacks and failures. He experienced business failures, suffered from severe bouts of depression, and faced political defeats. However, he did not allow these challenges to deter him from his ambitions. Instead, he used them as stepping stones to grow stronger and more resilient. His career in politics began with serving in the Illinois state legislature, and later, he was elected to the U.S. House of Representatives. Throughout his political career, Lincoln advocated for the abolition of slavery and the promotion of equal rights for all citizens. His beliefs put him at odds with many, but he remained steadfast in his commitment to justice and equality. In 1860, Lincoln won the presidential election, becoming the first Republican president of the United States. However, his victory was met with fierce opposition from Southern states, who feared his anti-slavery stance would threaten their way of life. The tensions escalated, and the nation plunged into the Civil War in 1861. During the tumultuous years of his presidency, Lincoln faced the tremendous responsibility of leading the country through its most divisive and challenging period. He navigated the complexities of war, made difficult decisions, and faced criticism and opposition from all sides. Through it all, he displayed remarkable resilience, unwavering resolve, and a commitment to preserving the Union and ending slavery. One of Lincoln's most enduring legacies is the Emancipation Proclamation, issued on January 1, 1863, which declared all enslaved people in Confederate states to be forever free. This pivotal moment not only changed the course of the Civil War, but also set the stage for the eventual abolition of slavery in the United States. As the war neared its end, Lincoln delivered his iconic Gettysburg Address in November 1863. In just a few minutes, he eloquently expressed the principles of equality and the significance of preserving the Union, leaving a profound impact on the nation's collective conscience. Tragically, Abraham Lincoln's life was cut short on April 14, 1865, when he was assassinated at Ford's Theater in Washington, D.C. His death was a devastating loss to the nation, but his legacy as a champion of justice and equality, a unifier of a divided nation, and a symbol of perseverance and leadership endures. Abraham Lincoln's story serves as a powerful reminder that true leadership requires courage, empathy, and an unwavering commitment to one's principles. He showed us that even in the face of immense challenges, with determination and a belief in the betterment of humanity, we can shape a brighter future for ourselves and for generations to come.